Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your employee's provident fund organization. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in EPFO, login, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as epfindia.gov.in. In my case, it's the first one. And now we're in the official website of Employees Provident Fund Organization. Now hover your mouse over the services, then tap on for employees. Now scroll down a little bit, then in the services section, tap on one employee, one EPF account. And now to log into your account, you need to provide your UAN and your password. So go ahead and type your UAN in the text field given for UAN. Then type your password in the text field given for password. And here you need to type this CAPTCHA, whatever is showing up here. Just type whatever is shown here in the text field. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on this text forgot password. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on the sign in button and you'll be successfully signed into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.